For taking a minute out of your day to stop by and check out this video. So I have my 362 here. It is a non-M-tronic, regular carbureted. Bought this brand new, probably 8 to 10 years ago, and I just never really used it that much. I wanted to get into the, porting the saws and all that stuff, and I wasn't going to do it to this brand new one. So this kind of bumped me up to where I am today. So 24-inch bar. I got the Husqvarna X-Cut chain on it because I wanted to try something different than the Stihl RS. I took the rakers down probably one swipe. Okay, this saw has the adjustable oiler on it, the flip caps, the Elastistar. Okay, I put the dual spikes on it. Did not go with the large cover, and it's got the 7-pin factory rim on it. So I do run 100 low lead in all my saws only because it's readily available to me. I'd have to travel about an hour to get non-ethanol fuel, and it just works out for me. So stay tuned, and we're gonna go cut some logs. $59cc, 4.6 horsepower. Just a pretty decent saw. I just don't use it that much. I like the bigger saws a lot more, but it's a little lighter when you got some small stuff. It works fine for this, but I just like having the real big power stuff.